central Rock Island County, northwestern Mercer County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Eliza, or 11 miles southeast of Muscatine, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include tornado. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Millersburg around 1:55 p.m. Hamlet around 2 p.m. Reynolds around 2:05 p.m. Taylor Ridge around 2:10 p.m. Rock Island, Milan, and Oak Grove around 2:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Preemption, Jingle Corners, Aledo, Mercer County Airport, Old Gilchrist, Petersville, Coyne Center, Marston, Edmonton, and Mercer County Fairgrounds. This includes Interstate 280 near mile marker 13. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois, Mercer and Rock Island.